All right, WMC, here is the video to find the winner of my winner's choice with the 2 watts. We will check the time. Here's May 18th at 5:14 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have May 18th at 5:14 p.m. Here is the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. All right, 10 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is John, and spot 10 is your winner. So, John, please get with me to make your selection. There's our verification code, our timestamp. Once again, May 18th, 5:15 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.